All right, today we're gonna bring the chest plate for your actual camera. And what the good thing about it, this is flexible. All right, you can put a GoPro in there. I'm gonna demonstrate how to put a GoPro down the line. The chest plate, you could adjust the actual straps, make them any size. You could lift it up higher if you want. This could go even higher, so it could be chest high. The best thing about it is that you're actually monitoring what you're recording, and it's the best plate to take with you on events, conventions, and walk around with it. Nobody's going to notice you have your phone with it. Easy to answer phone calls, drop calls, and it goes all the way in the back. The strap, just make sure that the logo's out on the profile, side profile, if you guys can see it. The angle, you can lift it higher, lower it, and adjustment to the actual phone stand part. All right, you can adjust the circle, spin it, vertical, horizontal, adjustment on the height of the actual phone, the actual length of the phone. You can pretty much manipulate this and change. If you don't have enough clearance, you can always spin this the opposite way too. Now look to the other water fountain on the left. Now let's look to the one in the back. All right, so just to let you guys know how it works, I have a GoPro here. All right, you pretty much just remove this, put this in the back here. And like I said, this is adjustable both ways. It could be through the bottom of it or through the top, so you could get some clearance. Once you do that, this needs to be clear. Just mess around with until it goes in and then start spinning it. And then you have your GoPro set up already. So you're able to go up and down. And like I said, if you don't like this way, you can always push it the opposite way and flip the camera over too. You can do two ways. So it works perfect on a GoPro, and a lot of accessories work very well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.